Hello all, this is Rajendra. Welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I am going to talk about one important skill which help us to enhance our English speaking. Well, in my previous video I talked about four important skills which help us to enhance our English speaking. If you haven't watched that video, please watch that video. Today I'm talking about the listening skill. When it comes to speaking any language, listening become first step. Without becoming good at listening, no one can become a good speaker in that particular language. During the listening, we expose with new learning. For example, new vocabularies, new idioms, new phrasal verb, new constructions, etc. And our mind learned all those things and process on it for the further speaking, and all those data is being stored in our subconscious mind, and in the future when we try to speak, then all those data automatically comes and we speak flawlessly. That is the power of listening. Let me put few example before you for better understanding. Take an example of English podcaster. First time when we try to listen English podcast, then we face a lot of issue to understand what exactly the podcaster is talking about. And why do we face that problem? Because earlier we haven't listened such kind of podcast. That is why currently we are facing that issue. So this is because of lack of listening skill. Let me tell you another example. When we try to speak with foreigner people in English, then we try to speak something to the foreigner people, but when foreigner try to speak something us, then we are not in the position to understand what exactly he told me, and our mind is not in the position to retain all those information which is being spoken by that foreigner, and that's how our mind will not process on that, and that's how we are not in the position to reply that foreigner, and this happen due to the lack of listening skill. Let me put another example. There are a few people who speak better in English on any particular topic, but when we ask them to take part in the group discussion and talk in the group discussion, then they are not able to put their thoughts effectively in the group discussion. Why? Because they are not in the position to retain all the information which is being spoken by all other group member in the group, because that people only developed the speaking skill. However, they didn't develop their listening skill, and because of the deficiency of that listening skill, they are not able to understand what exactly the front person is going to talk me, and that is how our mind cannot process on that, and that's how we don't have any response to the front person, and most of the time that problem is being faced by a people. That is why if you want to become a good speaker, if you want to become a good leader, then you need to understand what exactly the front person is speaking to me, and we need to understand his thoughts, and by understanding all those things you need to give effective reply, and you can give effective reply if you are good at the listening. That is the importance of listening. Thank you very much for being with me for this video. I'll get back to you with another video. Take care. Bye bye.